tell. Where are you coming from?
Couple months back. Long walk. Look at that from on the drive.
Lucky night then. Not many people take this road.
Yeah, I noticed. All the food this year.
It used to be. Guess folks found faster routes. Now it's just me, the highway, and whatever's in the trailer.
What are you hauling?
Don't usually ask. To be honest, company loads it up. I drive it. All I care about is making the delivery.
What's your combo?
Yeah, just to keep an eye on the load. Never really changes.
Did you see that?
Probably just a road jostling. Happens sometimes.
That didn't look like the road.
What the hell? Holy shit.